Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know that LG monitors were silently installing adware on PCs. And as I mentioned in the video, which I'll leave linked if you'd like some more information, LG had come under fire for installing what is effectively adware when you connect a monitor to your Windows PC. One of those being McAfee pop-ups being seen after LG's Monitor app installer was installed on Windows devices. Check the video out for more information. Now, just to let you know that after a lot of backlash and following Microsoft's intervention, LG now has agreed to disable the McAfee ad pop-up in its Monitor app installer. Because here we can see that one of the attributes of the app is McAfee, as I mentioned in the previous video. And this is after public backlash that pushed McAfee trial ads on connected PCs. Now, LG has responded, saying that McAfee is never installed without a user's explicit consent and pointed to Microsoft's Windows distribution process. Now, LG has this to say, and I'm quoting, LG Electronics reiterates that McAfee is not installed automatically and is never installed without the user's explicit consent. The LG Monitor app installer is distributed through Microsoft's official Windows distribution process, which included McAfee as an option. McAfee will be installed only if a user actively chooses to proceed with the installation and provides consent. Under no circumstances is McAfee installed automatically or without user authorization. The LG Monitor app installer does not access, collect, or transmit any customer personal data, quote unquote. So that's LG's take on it. Now, regardless of all of this, Pavan Davaluri, who's Microsoft's EVP of Windows and devices, has now confirmed that LG is turning off the pop-up. So if we head over to this post over on X, here we can see in response to complaints, and here's an image of the LG Monitor app installer. Pavan has this to say: thanks again for bringing this to our attention. We've connected with the team at LG, and as an immediate next step, they have agreed to disable the McAfee pop-up from their app. We appreciate LG working with us toward a shared goal of a better experience for our mutual customers. We will keep improving here with our ecosystem partners. So just keeping you guys posted. This did gain a bit of interest and just wanted to get us all on the same page, so to speak. So let me know in the comments, have you been affected by this? I would be interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.